Hey guys, it's Nathan from the Kentucky Cycling YouTube channel. We are in far western Kentucky this weekend at Columbus Belmont State Park, where we're going to use this beautiful setting. This is the Mississippi River behind me as the home base for our gravel adventure weekend. We're actually going to start out with a ride today, starting from the state park and heading north, basically along the river, and kind of making a loop to the tune of what we hope to be about 30 miles, about half of which will be gravel. I will say that this area is very variable in terms of the amount of water that can happen because of rain and flooding and so on. And we have actually had a lot of rain recently. So just in the last 48 hours or so, there's been about 5 inches of rain down here, which can really change things. And over the past few weeks, there's been a lot of heavy rain in this area. So even though we have been planning this trip for months and tried to time it in a way that we thought would be drier and lend itself towards riding down here, we may find that our adventure level is upped a bit because of wet conditions on the ground. So we're hoping for the best. We're looking forward to exploring all up and down the 4 southwesternmost counties in Kentucky. And we're going to start out today here in Columbus, Kentucky, in Hickman County. We're going to go north into Carlisle County. So we're going to pick up 2 new counties today. And then in the videos to come, we're actually going to head south down into Hickman, down into Fulton County. And then our last ride of the weekend, we're going to head up into Wickliffe, into Ballard County, and go up along the Ohio River. So we're down in the 4 Rivers area in the Purchase region of Kentucky, and really looking forward to exploring gravel roads along the Mississippi and Ohio rivers. Really looking forward to it. Downstream. Ooh, got some mud. Promise you adventure. A little bit wet and muddy. Oh boy. Yeah, this is definitely more dirt than gravel and more mud than dirt right now. nice arm.
As always, we hope you found this content useful. If you did, please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks.